Hello students, we pass through the topic the long form of periodic table. Next topic nomenclature. Nomenclature relationship between electronic configuration and periodic table. Subtopic nomenclature of elements with atomic number greater than 100. The IPAC means International Union of Pure and Applied Chemistry appointed a commission on nomenclature of inorganic chemistry in 1994 to give a rational system of nomenclature for elements giving atomic number greater than 100 until their discovery is proved and they got an official name. Some basic rules of nomenclature of elements are as follows. First, the name of an element derived directly its atomic number using the numerical root for 0 to 9. Here, these roots are tabulated below. Notation for IUPAC nomenclature of elements. Here, digit and name. Digit 0 name nil. Digit 1 name un. Digit 2 name by. Digit 3 name try. Digit 4 name quad. Digit 5 name pent. Digit 6 name hex. Digit 7 name sept. Digit 8 name oct. Digit 9 name in. Second, to write the name of an element, the roots are put one after the other in the same fashion of digits as in the atomic number, and the suffix ium is added at the end. Example, the element with atomic number 108 is named as uniloctium. No spacing between the words. Third, to write the symbol of the elements, put the first letter of the roots in the same order of digits as in the atomic number. Elements with atomic number greater than 92 are called the trans uranium elements. All these elements are man made through artificial nuclear reactions. What would be the IPAC name and symbol for the elements with atomic number 120? Solution: as you know that the roots for 1, 2 and 0 are un for 1, by for 2 and nil for 0 respectively. Thus its IPAC name is unbinylium and its symbol is UBN. Here 120, 1 un, 2 by 0 nil and suffix I U M. Then atomic number 120, then name un by nil and symbol UBN. Next, electronic configuration of elements and the periodic table. Long form of periodic table is completely based on the electronic configuration, and with the help of electronic configuration it is possible to find out the position, period and group of an element in the periodic table. Group wise electronic configuration. Elements of a group or same vertical column have the same number of electrons in the most cell, in outermost cell, that is, have same valence cell electronic configuration. Since properties of an element mainly depends upon the number of valence shell electron, so the elements having same valence shell electronic configuration also exhibit resemblance is their properties. Here atomic number, symbol and electronic configuration. Atomic number 3, name lithium and symbol Li, electronic configuration 1s2 2s1. Atomic number 11, name sodium and symbol Na and electronic configuration 1s2 2s2 2p6 and 3s1. And atomic number 19 symbol K, and electronic configuration 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, 4s1 respectively. Here, in above electronic configuration, 2s1, 3s1 and 4s1 are equal, and only change in 2, 3, 4 means n is equal to 2, 3, 4. Next, electronic configuration in periods. The period of an element is indicated by its principal quantum number for the outermost or valence shell. Thus, each period begins with the filling of a new principal energy level, and for successive periods in periodic table, the electrons enters in the next higher energy level, that is n is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, etc. Then elements in first period. First period correspond to n is equal to 1 means K cell which has only one orbital, that is the lowest energy first 1s orbital. Since an orbital can accommodate a maximum of 2 electrons, therefore there are only two elements, hydrogen and helium, are present in first period. Elements in second period. This period corresponds to n is equal to 2 means L cell which contain 1 to s orbital, 3 to p orbital with a capacity of 8 electrons. Therefore, 8 elements are present in second period. Elements in third period. This corresponds this period corresponds to n is equal to 3 means M cell which contains 1 3s orbital, 3 3p orbital and 5 3d orbitals. That is total 9 orbitals, but the energy of 3d orbital is somewhat larger than a 4s orbital, so it is filled after filling of 4s orbital. In third period, only 8 elements are present. Elements in fourth period. This period corresponds to n is equal to 4 which contains 1 4s orbital, 3 4p orbital, 5 4d orbital and 7 4f orbital means 16 orbitals. but the energy of later two orbitals, that is 4d and 4f orbitals, is higher than that of the 5s orbital. So these are filled only after the filling of 5s orbitals, which corresponds to n is equal to 4. Therefore, in fourth period, only 18 elements are present. The fourth period, however, ends with krypton, in which the last electron enters in 4p orbitals. Thus, the period contains 18 elements from potassium, atomic number 19, to krypton, atomic number 36. Elements of fifth period. This period corresponds to n is equal to 5. Just like fourth period, it involves the filling of 1 5s orbital, 5 4d orbital, and 3 5p orbitals, and hence total 18 electrons can be accommodated in these orbitals. So only 18 elements are present in this period. Elements in sixth period. This period corresponds to n is equal to 6. Thus 1 6s orbital, 7 4f orbital, 5 5d orbital, and 3 6p orbital, that is total 16 orbitals, are available for filling of electrons. Hence, number of elements present in this period is 32. Elements of seventh period. This period corresponds to n is equal to 7, that is seventh cell. Just like sixth period, it involves the filling of 7s, 5f, 6d, and 7p orbitals, total 16 orbitals. However, most of the elements of this period are synthetic or man-made radioactive elements. Here, complete nomenclature, relationship between electronic configuration and periodic table. Next topic, electronic configuration and types of element. In next video. Thank you.